want Daddy to open this.
Here, let's hold off on this one.
Okay. Is this one for Theo?
No, there's.
Do you want Daddy to
How
open?
about?
This one's for Theo. What's
What's inside?
I don't know what's inside. You have to open it. You open it up, Theo?
Can you tear the paper? Maybe you can turn it over. Yeah, can you tear it from there?
What's inside?
There you go.
What's inside?
You gotta open it and find out. There you go.
What is what's this? Take this off.
There you go.
Do you take this off?
Yeah, I took it off.
What is it, Theo?
What is it? It's ABC puzzle.
It is an ABC puzzle.
Uppercase and lowercase. That's from Mommy and Daddy. That's from Mommy and Daddy.
What do you want to do, Theo?
I will open up this. I want Mom's one. I want Daddy to open up this present.
Okay.
Is this for me?
It
Yeah,
is
it's
for you, yeah.
It's from, yeah, we can get that. It's from Uncle Craig and Auntie Anna and Cousin Kate and Cousin David.
Can you open it, Theo?
Can you open it? You want to bring it over here?
This Daddy made this.
Okay.
Yeah.